Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to be reviewing the Inlighte Keyboy guys. So what this is actually, if you guys don't know, it's a retro handheld gaming console that actually has captured the attention of many gamers guys, particularly because of its vast collection of over 20,000 guys, 20,000 pre-installed classic games, okay? It's basically designed for those people who like playing, titles from vintage consoles like Game Boy, there's the PlayStation, Sega, it's much more. Yeah. So one of the standout features of this is its compact, lightweight design. As you can see here, guys, look at it. It literally looks light, really light. Okay, makes it easy to carry around. Okay, this if you combine it with its over 10 plus hours of battery life, it literally makes it perfect for gamers who are constantly on the go and they want a device that offers them extensive playtime without frequent charging. You don't want to be charging every time. Look at this, 10 plus hours. Okay, you can have 20,000 games if if you get the 128 GB one, right? And the console actually has a 3.5-inch full color screen. Okay, this is gonna deliver a clear display while there's dual joysticks. Okay, and there's buttons. It gives you a good experience for gaming. Tactile, it's responsive. Okay, and under the hood, guys, this thing is powered by this processor, guys. Look at this processor. Okay, this is a beast. Okay, for at least for the games it's playing, it is a beast. Okay, it's gonna ensure a smooth gameplay across the variety of game titles they have. Okay, it's gonna run smooth. This device runs actually efficiently, minimal lag, even for more demanding emulate system. Okay, I know this is really popular on TikTok, and this keyboard is really popular. But the appeal is not only in retro gaming nostalgia, but also in its affordability and ease of use, guys. Instead of dealing with multiple emulators, this thing offers like a all-in-one solution. Okay, for retro gaming. Okay, it's literally pre-installed game, guys. Solid battery life, portable design. This is perfect for anyone who wants to relive the classic gaming experience, guys. So if this video helps you out, you can make sure you like, comment, and if you want, guys, you can subscribe and you can buy this too.